redneck bodge time. E61M Sport drain pipe guttering. Need we say more? And all we're gonna do is fucking send it. You want to be cutting along this area here because you've got one side and your other side. Send it. Bloody sent it, lads. Way. All done. 5 minutes later. Piece of piss. How to be a budget boy racer. Go down to your local hardware store. Have a shitbox car. Have a shitbox drill. Get some shitbox drain pipe gutter and shitbox jack. Fucking send it. Comes out like that. Boy racer life. First job is pump it like you've not pumped before with your shit jack. Get the car high enough so you can get your screws on. Get your angle grinder out and fucking send it. Get yourself some shit screw holes and then have it half lined up. The rest is fairly straightforward. Minted. Fucking send it. For anyone wanting to know what the drain pipe guttering looks like, it's your standard, minted. It's like a £8 bodge skirt extension. So yeah, boy.